In this chapter we will explain how to use the Node-RED software. Node-RED is a web-based platform, which can be connected to SCC via web browser. Node-RED is a third-party software. Please note that ABB declines all responsibilities related to the use of Node-RED. First of all, let's have a look at the functionalities which are available in Node-RED. Please find details and training materials for Node-RED at nodered.org. Open any Explorer and type https://192.168.2.1, being the address of the Smart Communication Card, followed by :1880, which is the port address of the Node-RED. By default, you will get two flows, one is set reset Novolink and the other is export data. On the left-hand side, you will find the nodes, which can be dragged and dropped. You can also search for specific functions. Moving to the right-hand side, if you make any changes on your flow, you have to click on Deploy to download the software into the Smart Communication Card. In order to trigger some data, you can click on the timestamp to inject the timestamp. Similarly, this can be done in any of the nodes available. If you click on the burger icon, you will find a series of functionalities: edit, view, arrange. By clicking on import, you can import a flow selecting a file, or pasting the JSON file into the box. By clicking on export, you can export the current flow or all the flows. Then you can download them. Under flows you can add, rename or delete a flow. By clicking on Manage Palette, you can see the palettes which are currently installed. Most of them are installed by default. If you choose to install different palettes, ensure your SCC is connected to the internet and you have the right version for the Node-RED, which you can see at the very bottom of the burger menu. By clicking on Settings, you can perform certain settings about view, palette and keyboard shortcuts. The creation of variables in Node-RED consists of 2 points. 1. See the node ID in UA Expert. 2. Then, using those node ID, make variables in Node-RED. Variables can be created for variables of devices with one instance, or for variable of devices with multiple instances. Variables and flows can be created in Node-RED flows. See flow export data. Some Node-RED flows are provided by default with Smart Communication Card. Timestamp is a node to start the process. Here we are defining at what rate the first injection should be done. Browse root is the node which reads the data from root directory. By double-clicking on this node, user can enter the node ID under the Browser tab. Find node IDs is the node in which the variables can be defined using the script. By double-clicking the node, this screen will appear. MSG is used for debugging. User can create custom logics in Node-RED, reading data and storing to CSV files stored in memory of SCC. User can start the logic development either by dragging nodes from the left side of the screen, or simply importing flow export data. This node is triggering reading of data. User can set time internal at which the data should be updated. User can enable reading of data and read value node in the node values section. Creating custom logics in Node-RED. Step by step. Smart Communication Card. A piece of cloud for everyone.